Equity benchmark indices rose sharply during Thursday's afternoon trade, reversing early losses, with both the Sensex and Nifty surging more than 1.5% amid value buying across sectors on the day of weekly options expiry of Nifty contract. Healthy macroeconomic data, decent quarter 4 earning results, and US President Donald Trump's claim that India has proposed zero tariffs on US goods also boosted investor sentiment.
Well, if see, macros are good. Our macros are good. Our corporate earnings are good. Everything is good. So, and what we have done in the budget, leaving money in the pockets of common men. So we are expecting spending. Spending was an issue. Consumption was an issue. So now people will spend more and consumption will go up. Also, there were two subsequent rate cuts. That will also help.
Furthermore, inclusion of Indian companies such as Coromandel International and Nykaa in Morgan Stanley Capital's Global Standard Index is expected to attract significant passive inflows, boosting investor confidence. The 30-share BSE Sensex surged 1,200 points to close at 82,530, while the NSE Nifty jumped 395 points to settle at 25,062. The NSE Nifty closed above the 25,000 mark for the first time in 7 months. From the Sensex pack, Tata Motors, HCL Tech, Adani Ports, Eternal Limited, and Maruti Suzuki were the top gainers, whereas IndusInd Bank was the only loser.
First thing was the ceasefire. That was a very welcome move. And then, of course, this China-US trade deal, which is paused for 90 days. The new tariffs are being paused for 90 days. And now the US President's tour of Middle East. That gives a signal to the investors around the world that things are now becoming better.
On the sectoral front, all indices remained firm, led by auto, IT, realty, telecom, oil and gas, metals, media, capital goods, and private sector banks. Almost all Asian markets, including Japan's Nikkei, China's Shanghai Composite, Seoul's Kospi, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng ended in red. European markets were trading on a mixed note on Thursday. Wall Street also ended mixed on Wednesday. Foreign institutional investors were net buyers on Wednesday as they bought equity worth over 931 crore rupees.